Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today I am telling you a moral story. So let's start. The topic is the tortoise and the hare. Once upon a time, a hare bragged about how fast he could run. He laughed at the slow moving tortoise. Tired of the hare's teasing, the tortoise challenged him to a race. The hare agreed and thought he would win easily. When the race started, the hare ran far ahead. Confident that he was going to win, the hare decided to take a nap. Meanwhile, the tortoise kept moving slowly but steadily. By the time the hare woke up, the tortoise was near to finish the line. The hare ran as fast as he could, but it was too late. The tortoise had already won. Moral of the story: slow and steady wins the race.